Hi, welcome to Array Minds. We are SI partners and ISV partners. We have successfully launched our first free app. It is an AppExchange package called BatchMe application, which is live and available on Salesforce AppExchange. BatchMe is specialized for its user-friendly interface, adaptability, time-saving, and efficient data management. As it is first to market, this will be one of the best solutions which is designed to simplify the process of scheduling and executing the batches for various objects including custom and standard object. It is authenticated and designed to help administrator and all other users to work efficiently without the dependency of a developer and operated through points and clicks. Now, to explore the features of BatchMe application and how it works, let's take an example. An administrator of Dreamforce company wants to update their hot rating customers contact description. These are the list of batches which is already created. Now we are going to create a new batch rule. First step is to configure the details of batch rule. Let's give a batch name as update hot rating customer in account object. Batch size you can give minimum 1 to maximum 2000. Here I am giving 200. Only 200 records we are going to run in this batch. Step 2 is to define a criteria to narrow down the selection of records. Here you can set up the filter expression to filter out only those records which you want to run in this batch. I'm setting up two expressions here. First is account rating as hot. Only those records which has account rating is hot are going to run in this batch. I'm selecting only those records which is active. Step 3 is to set up an action to create or update record. Here you can select three options: create, update or update same record. In this scenario we are going to update the contact description. So update, and I'm entering contact as object. And step 4 is to select the fields. Here we are going to update the contact description. So I'm giving the contact description value as hot rating customer, run immediately. Now we have successfully created the batch rule. Now let's schedule the job. Just click on Apex Scheduler. Let's give the job name as update record and batch name which we created right now. And second, this is the time criteria in which time you want to run your job. I'm selecting 0 second, 0 minute and hour as 12. And day of the month, select star if you want to run your batch every day, and question mark if you're not aware of your date, and any date if you want, select here. And I want to run my job every day. So month, select star if you want to run your job every month, and a question mark if you're not aware of, and select any month here. I want to run my job every month, and day of the week I'm not aware of my week, so I'm giving question mark, and here I'm giving 2024. So successfully job has been scheduled. After running this job, the last runtime will change to 10th Feb 2024 and next runtime will be 11th Feb 2024. And that's it. It's easy, right? Now administrator of Dreamforce company can also schedule the multiple batches at the same time. Try BatchMe today and experience the power of simplified batch management on Salesforce.